The middle lift at IKEA in Bletchley, Milton Keynes, lift-wise lift. All the others were lift-wise previously as well. This is the last one. Capacity is 33 persons, 2,500 kilos, built in 1991. Here we are at 2. Go back down to 1.
Going down.
Go back down to 1.
Doors closing.
It's a bit wobbly, this one now. It said Stanner on the outside, but I think it's actually maintained. It's got Dewhurst Core Station. Here we are at 1.
First floor.
Here we are at 1, and that's it. This is the back lift at IKEA in Bletchley, Milton Keynes. It's been modernised again. Door close button does work, I like that. This used to be a lift-wise, then it was a Schindler, and now it's a Stanner. 33 persons, 2,500 kilos, refurbished in 2021. Here we are at 2. It also says that it used to be a lift-wise right down there. So it says lift-wise. Go back down to G.
Doors closing.
It's got Schaefer buttons on the inside, and outside it's got Dewhurst. It's a Hydroware lift.
Lift going down.
This is a Hydroware lift, which is made in Sweden. Here we are at G. It's actually quite nice, this lift.
Floor 0.
Here we are at 0. And that's it. This is the main lifts at IKEA in Bletchley. Door close button does work like that. This is the new lift at IKEA in Bletchley, Milton Keynes.
Going down. Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
It now beeps when the door closes. It's a VMS lift, capacity 66 persons, 5,000 kilos, built in 2017. We are at 0.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
Go back up to 1.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Please remove obstacle from the doors.
That message did not used to be in this lift. It's an MRL as well.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
There's the core station, and there it goes. And there it goes, and that's it.